Hi everybody, welcome to Backstage Access. Your host Satoshi here, and here we're at Universal Studios for opening day of Super Nintendo World. As you can see, the crowd has already started to form. Some, as far as I've talked to, have been here since 2 in the morning, camping overnight for this memorable, I guess, historic event of Universal Studios. Now, this is about almost 4 years in the making. I can remember when they announced it back in 2018, sound stages being torn down, a bunch of dirt, slowly being built, and now here we are, 2023. Super Nintendo World is about to officially open to the public. So folks, stay tuned for more updates. Link, like, and share this video. I'm going inside. Bye folks.